looking at our first example of 4-5 here. So again, we're starting this off just like we've done the other ones. Label, match everything, put all that markings on your diagram. So AB is equal to 27, BC is 42. Find the measure of ACB. ACB is this angle here. So this is, so this is the angle that we're looking for. And we're going to label that with an X, question mark. So since I don't have that angle, which makes sense because this is trig using or finding missing angles, we're going to label that opposite and adjacent based on the angle that we're missing. So always across from my right angle is my hypotenuse. The orange angle, that's angle C, is what I'm using. So opposite of that would be all the way over here, this 27. And adjacent would be right next to it. So I have opposite and I have adjacent. So going back to my acronym, SO, CA, TOA, which one uses opposite and adjacent? That would be tangent. So I'm going to set this up. The tangent of angle, and instead of, I could use angle X or I could use angle C. It doesn't matter what I'm looking for. I labeled it with X, so technically I should use X. But it's angle C, so you could use C. Is equal to opposite is 27 over adjacent, which is 42. And I'm just going to make a little note. That's my opposite over adjacent. Okay, so again, this is where I jump to my calculator stuff. That would be this one. So again, just checking to make sure that I'm in degree mode. And so now I'm using tangent, and so don't forget to hit the second button, then tangent. Don't forget that second button. So I'm going to hit second, tangent, and I can tell that it's the right one because it's got that little -1 for the inverse tan. And I'm just doing 27 divided by 42, close my parenthesis, enter. So just like before, writing down the decimal to 3 decimal places, 32.735. So now when I'm writing this, I'm not writing the tangent of C. I'm writing that angle C is equal to 32.735. I think that's what it said. I might have switched it up. Nope, 735. Again, dot, dot, dot to show it keeps going. And then I can round that. It asked to the nearest degree, which would be nearest whole number. That's what that means. So the measure of angle ACB, just going back to that original lettering they used, is 30 nearest whole. The 7 tells me to go up 33 degrees. So now I know that this angle over here is 33 degrees. So I can actually get rid of that orange X. So 33 degrees. I know that my right angle here is 90 degrees. And then this question was asking me a secondary question to find the measure of BAC, which is up here. I could go back to my old school things I know about triangles, the fact that all 3 interior or inside angles add to 180. So to find this angle, I'm going to do 33 plus 90 is equal to 9, 10, 11, 12, 123. And then I'm going to minus that from 180 to get my final answer. 33 plus 90, 123 minus the 180 gives me 57. I know I put it in there backwards, that's why I just dropped the negative. So that final other one, the measure of angle BAC, is also 57. So remember, we're still going to use that information that we know about triangles from the previous lessons and the previous units, that fact that all of the inside angles add to 180 here. And there you go.